Y'all, look at these brows, these baby hairs in my hair. Like, talk nice. Like, I'm like, talk nice. Period. Talk nice. Like, I'm really working for this though. This is not out of nowhere. Like, I'm really working for this. Like, I'm working for this.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. What if it's not reciprocated?
All right, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and we're back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we are back with our March Ipsy video. I'm rolling out with these Ipsy videos like it's nothing, and I'm so proud of myself. So here's our March Ipsy bag. Okay, there you go. Y'all can see it, and it says, and off she went to change the world, which is big facts, because I'm changing my world and I'm changing the world. Y'all can count me to that. So we're gonna get straight into this video, y'all. I'm not even gonna talk about it, what we're gonna do, because y'all already know what we do when we come to watch these Ipsy videos. We're gonna get straight into it, period. Okay, so in this bag, it comes with a little pamphlet as always, and it says it's National Women's History Month, which is bomb because women deserve every month, because I can go on for days and days and days and days and days, but we deserve every month. So this is actually bomb, giving us some recognition on Ipsy, and it just tells you all the items that we got. Okay, and this bag, I kind of took a little sneak peek before I did this video, y'all. Don't get mad at me, but I took a little sneak peek, and I love my items. Okay, so the first thing we got is this Cake Beauty Milkmaid Velveteen Hand Cream. Okay. Packaging is dope. Y'all know how I feel about packaging. Like, packaging plays a big part in these unboxing videos for me, because I like the nice, sleek, sophisticated package looks. And let me see. It's not open yet. I'm gonna open it, because it is an unboxing, so y'all deserve to know every detail. So it smells like cake batter. I like that. So the flavor is candied oak. The scent, not flavor, sorry, it's candied oat milk cream. It's for dry skin. It soothes dry skin and beautifies, of course. I'm gonna slip this right in my bag because I need some extra cream for my bag. So, boop. The next item we got is this Royal and Land Nickel Pro Precision Angle Brush. And this brush is like hella high tech. Like, I'm about to show it to y'all. This is the brand logo. And as you guys can see, this brush is just like very thick, and the quality is just really good. Look at the handle. Look at that. I'm trying to hide my eyes. I'm so cool. Yeah, so good quality. Like, I cannot wait to use this brush. I love good quality items, and this brush, the quality of this brush is really, really good. Like, really, you can tell that they took their time to do that. Like, they really thought about, you know, how are we going to construct this handle, and they put their imagination to work, and I love that. I love when people put their hard work into what they're putting out. The next item we got is this Lord & Berry Veludo eye pencil in the color Supreme Green. This is the pencil. This is the color. Can't wait to do it. I mean, can't wait to use it. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of looks very soon, so you guys stay tuned to my channel for these new looks. I cannot wait to use that green to incorporate it into these looks that I'm gonna be doing. Y'all gonna be really excited, because I'm really excited, so y'all should be excited. Next item we got is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Purifying Face Mask. Y'all already know I love my face mask. I love any type of mask. I have my organic skincare line, Honey & Cole Cosmetics. I'll put it right across the screen so you guys can follow it on Instagram. We have our products dropping very, very soon, so stay tuned. But until then, I'm just using and getting a feel for other masks and other skincare products. And this is a clay mask. Clay mask I love. This is how it looks. Clay mask I love because they really do detoxify your skin. Like, I feel like clay masks contribute to a big part of my skincare journey, because I use my Australian healing clay mask not every day, but I use it often, and it really has contributed to drying out pimples and getting rid of dead skin and all of those stuff. So can't wait to use that. And the last item we have, which I absolutely adore, is this Ciate London mini lip luster in the color Kiss Me. And that's exactly what you're gonna want to do when you put this lip gloss on. Anybody that puts this lip gloss on, the person that sees them or is with them or whatever, you're gonna want to kiss them, because this lip gloss is popping. I showed my mom this and I just almost fainted. Like, when I see it, like, it reminds me of me, like pink and just sparkly. Look at it, y'all. Oh my god, can y'all see it? It's like so pink and sparkly. Let me see if y'all can see. It is so fire, y'all. So fire. And I just can't wait to use it. Like, when I seen it in my Ipsy bag, I was like, oh my god, I'm over it. In a good way though. So yes, y'all, those were all 5 items that I received from this month's Ipsy bag. I love every single item. I love every single item that I get in all my bags, but I love every single item that I received in my March bag. And let me take a breather. Like, why am I rushing? Okay, yeah, so I loved every single item that I received in my March bag, and I cannot wait to continue to push out these Ipsy videos for you guys. You guys stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like and comment on this video, and also share this video, and stay tuned for more Ipsy videos and for more videos period, because I have a lot more videos coming, and y'all gonna love every single one of them. And if y'all don't, y'all don't, but y'all gonna love the next one. All right, so it's your girl Kayla, and I'm tuning out. Yes, you guys, thank you to everybody that tunes into this video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much, and